has a deficit of 120,000 homes for the demand, and this is a 50% increase over the past 2 years. It's Friday, June 9th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. With the shortage of housing for the demand, Maryland is looking at adaptive reuse of commercial real estate as the areas are changing. Abandoned shopping malls and commercial buildings could be reimagined into housing. Meanwhile, we are seeing recent inventory activity as 1,037 homes poised as coming soon. 563 homes came to the market since last report, and 573 went under contract, both rising week over week, normalizing from last week's holiday. 1,012 moved to pending. 945 sold at 100.4% list-to-sold ratio in 7 days. The highest priced home sold in the past week was in McHenry for $3,299,000. Rentals available rose to 1,738 at $2,228 per month, and leasing in just 17 days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 9th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week.